First-class energy is my setting. First-class energy is my standard. First-class energy is my normal. I was born dripping in premium treatment. My presence says priority without speaking. My standards feel calm and final. My taste feels precise. And my day respects my taste. I receive the better option first. I receive the softer experience. I receive the upgraded version. My life feels handpicked by something divine. I carry myself like the universe's favorite indulgence. Comfort moans when it finds me. Luxury wraps around me like it missed me. Ease slides into my day like it belongs there.